Embarking on a fitness journey can be daunting, but with the right guidance, you can make the transition smooth and enjoyable. Here's a comprehensive video to beginner workouts, designed to get you started on the right foot. Let's dive into the video. Number 10. Walking, the ultimate beginner exercise. Never underestimate the power of a good walk. It's low impact, accessible, and can be incredibly refreshing. Walk briskly, swing your arms, and enjoy the sights. Remember, even the longest journeys begin with a single step. Walking is excellent for cardiovascular health, weight management, and mental well-being. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day and gradually increase your pace and distance. Incorporate different terrains and inclines to challenge your muscles and keep things interesting. Walking can also be a social activity. Invite friends or family to join you and make it a fun and motivating experience. Pair your walks with music or podcasts to stay entertained and engage. Number 9. Resistance band curls. Gentle yet effective. Resistance bands are perfect for bicep curls, providing constant tension. Hold the band under your feet and curl your arms up. Envision yourself stretching. A giant rubber band control is key. Resistance band curls are great for building arm strength without putting too much strain on your joints. They are portable and can be done anywhere, making them ideal for home workouts or traveling. Keep your elbows close to your sides and focus on squeezing your biceps at the top of the movement. Increase the intensity by using a thicker band or performing more reps. Resistance band curls also improve your muscle endurance and flexibility, making them a versatile addition to your fitness routine. Number 8. Machine bench press. Safe and effective chest workout. The machine bench press allows you to build chest strength without the risk of dropping weights. Adjust the machine to your height and press away. Think of yourself as a powerful machine, pumping out reps with ease. This exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps, making it a comprehensive upper body workout. Use a weight that challenges you but allows you to maintain proper form. The guided motion of the machine ensures that your movements are controlled and safe, reducing the risk of injury. As you progress, try adding more weight or increasing the number of reps to continue challenging your muscles. The machine bench press is perfect for beginners as it helps you develop strength and confidence before moving on to free weights. Number 7. Planks. Core stability like a pro. Planks are a staple for core strength. Hold a plank position on your forearms, keeping your body straight. Pretend you're a sturdy bridge, no sagging allowed. Planks engage multiple muscle groups, including your abs, back, shoulders, and legs. Start by holding the position for 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase the duration as your core strength improves. To make planks more challenging, try side planks, plank jacks, or plank reaches. Ensure your body forms a straight line from head to heels and avoid letting your hips drop or rise too high. Planks not only improve your core stability, but also enhance your overall body strength and endurance. Incorporate them into your routine to build a solid foundation for more advanced exercises. Number 6. Kettlebell swings. Dynamic and fun. Kettlebell swings are a fun and effective way to get your heart pumping and strengthen your posterior chain. Swing the kettlebell between your legs and then up to shoulder height. Imagine you're a pendulum, swinging with power and precision. This exercise works your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back while also improving your cardiovascular fitness. Ensure your movements are explosive and controlled, and keep your core engaged throughout. Kettlebell swings are great for building endurance and power, making them perfect for high-intensity interval training workouts. Start with a lighter kettlebell to master the form, then gradually increase the weight as you become more comfortable. This exercise also enhances your grip strength and coordination, providing a full-body workout in just a few minutes. Number 5. Dumbbell rows. Sculpting a strong back. Dumbbell rows are fantastic for your back and biceps. Lean forward, keep your back straight, and pull the dumbbell towards your hip. Picture yourself rowing a boat across a serene lake, muscles flexing with every stroke. This exercise not only strengthens your upper back, but also improves your posture and stability. Use a bench for support, place one knee and hand on it, and keep your back parallel to the ground. As you pull the dumbbell up, squeeze your shoulder blades together and hold for a second before lowering it back down. Dumbbell rows can be varied by changing the angle of your body or the position of your hands. This versatility makes them a valuable addition to any workout routine, helping you build a strong and well-defined back. Number 4. Assisted pull-ups, climbing your way to success. Pull-ups can be intimidating, but assisted pull-ups are a great way to build strength gradually. Use a resistance band or an assisted pull-up machine. Visualize yourself scaling a mountain one step or pull at a time. Assisted pull-ups help you master the movement and build the necessary muscles for unassisted pull-ups. Attach a resistance band to the pull-up bar and loop it around your knees or feet to reduce the amount of body weight you need to lift. As your strength increases, switch to a lighter band until you can perform pull-ups without assistance. This exercise targets your back, shoulders, and arms, making it a crucial part of any upper body workout routine. Incorporate different grip variations such as wide, narrow, or neutral to target different muscle groups and keep your workouts interesting. Number 3. One-arm dumbbell press. Balance and strength combined. This exercise targets your shoulders and triceps, helping you develop balanced upper body strength. Use a lighter weight to start and focus on maintaining a stable core. Think of yourself as a human seesaw. Balance is everything. The one-arm dumbbell press also helps to identify and correct muscle imbalances between your left and right sides. Sit or stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Hold a dumbbell at shoulder height and press it overhead. Ensure your movements are controlled and steady. As you progress, try increasing the weight or switching to a standing position to challenge your core even more. Adding this exercise to your routine can significantly improve your shoulder stability and overall upper body strength, making daily tasks easier and more efficient. Number 2. Goblet squats. Unleash the power of your legs. Goblet squats are excellent for building leg strength and improving balance. Hold a dumbbell close to your chest and squat down as if you're sitting in an invisible chair. This exercise targets your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, making it a comprehensive lower body workout. Imagine you're trying to sit on a tiny, invisible throne. Grace and poise are key. Squats not only build muscle, but also enhance your core stability and overall mobility. Ensure your feet are shoulder-width apart, your back is straight, and your knees don't extend beyond your toes. Goblet squats are also a great way to practice proper squatting form before advancing to heavier barbell squats. Add a little bounce at the bottom for an extra burn, or hold the squat position for a few seconds to engage your muscles further. Number 1. The classic push-up. Your gateway to strength. Starting with the basics is essential, and the push-up is the perfect entry point. Not only does it work your chest, shoulders, and triceps, but it also strengthens your core. Begin with modified knee push-ups if standard push-ups are too challenging. Push-ups are versatile and can be done anywhere, anytime, whether in your living room, office, or even while waiting for your toast to pop up in the morning. Keep your body in a straight line. Lower yourself until your chest almost touches the floor, and then push back up. Visualize yourself as a sturdy plank, no sagging or arching. Remember, even superheroes had to start somewhere. Push-ups can also be varied to keep things interesting. Try adding claps, staggered hands, or even doing them on your knuckles for an extra challenge. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope these beginner workouts get you pumped and ready to crush your fitness goals. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content that's fun, informative, and maybe even a little bit sweaty, make sure to smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay fit, stay fun, and see you in the next video.